Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the online classes that are to be conducted. So as you know, due to a lockdown, we are unable to conduct our normal classes, but your session is already running, and because of that we might lag behind it. So for that we are going to use three platforms for the continuation of our classes. The first is the Google Classroom, right? So either you can access Google Classroom from the web interface, that is through your browser, or you can install the Google Classroom app on your phone, and both of them are going to behave in a similar way, right? So for conduction of our classes, I have basically selected three platforms, right? The first is the Google Classroom, where I'm gonna add all the new updates and everything, right? Then I'll have a YouTube channel on which I will record the videos and upload, and then again I'll also have a blog post where we are going to actually write the theories and everything. So this is the blog, cs@school.blogspot.com. Every time I'll upload a new article on anything, right, on any particular topic, I'll provide the link in the Google Classroom. So regularly checking the Google Classroom for updates is the best way, right? So I'm not gonna upload anything or put any updates on the WhatsApp, because that is not official and that's not a proper way to do it even, right? So again, on the blog you can find the theoretical aspect and the notes and everything, right? On the YouTube, if we go to our channel, that is CS Logs, right? CS Logs. So this is the channel, right? So as of now I have 20 videos on it. I'm regularly uploading videos, so you can see all the latest videos on it. So I would suggest to subscribe to the channel so that you can get hold of it, right? So all you have to do is click on a particular topic. Like recently I uploaded a video on input output input and output in Python program. So it's inspired from the blog post, and though the best part is that we can see live coding in here also, right? And all of these updates regarding the uploads of videos as well as new articles will be uploaded on your Google Classroom, right? So this is my interface, right? So every time I upload, I use the similar interface to do it, right? So here is my classwork. So these are the assignment that I've given to you previously. These are the students who have actually joined in here, right? So as of now, all the students in computer science have joined, right? But unfortunately, when I assign some sort of an assignment or some sort of a work, the turnout is very low, right? So maybe you're unable to understand how to actually work in Google Classroom. So because of that, I've made this video, right? So this is my interface as a teacher. Now I have logged in another browser using a different account, and this is what a student is gonna see, right? So we have a stream where every time I upload something new, right, the update will be shown in here, right? So this was the last thing that I did in now I have logged in another browser using a different account, and this is what a student is gonna see, right? So we have a stream where every time I upload something new, right, the update will be shown in here, right? So this was the last thing that I did in class 12 CS, where I uploaded the complete playlist of Python basics, right? So if you hover over it, right, a clickable link comes into play. So if you click on it, so it will go into that complete playlist, right? And you can go through whatever topic you like, right? Because it is completely revision based, so it's not mandatory to go through all the videos, but whichever topic that you find complicated, so you can go through it. And if you have any problem, either you can comment in the video, underneath the video itself in YouTube, or you can come over here and comment, right? So this is one of the thing. Okay, now let's see how to actually access Google Classroom. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna type Google Classroom, right? So it's gonna be here. So we are going to click on Google Classroom, right? And then it's gonna ask us to access through an email account. So let us use this particular email account now, and then we will type in the password. This is the password of your email account. Right, and very soon enough it will log into Google Classroom. Now we have to select a particular class, right? So I'll try and join a class. So now the class code has been already shared with all of you, and most of you have actually joined it, but still I will show you. So here the class code is there, right? So this is our class code. So we'll copy it. You are already aware of it. So we'll go there and we'll just simply paste it, or you can just write it down also, doesn't matter. Then it will try and join the class, right? And as usual, we can see that we have finally joined our class, right? So all the new updates will be given over here, right? So very recently I uploaded a playlist of Python basics, which had more or less 16 videos in it, right? And all the assignments are also given. Now the stream will actually have, this particular tab stream will actually have the latest updates, right? And whatever assignments, homework will be, or even quizzes will be given, will be present in the classwork, right? So imagine this is the assignment that was recently given, revision of Python. So let me just go into it. So I've clicked on it and I can obviously see, right? So for the first time I'm doing it, so that's why it's giving me all the cards and information. So here I've already written that you can edit the presentation or solve in a copy and send me a snapshot. That is also doable. That is, if we click on this particular Google slide, so we can see that okay, a number of questions are given in here, right? A number of questions are given. So either we can just go into the Google slide and directly solve it. Like if I want, I can edit it also. So imagine I know it's code, right? So I'll start writing the code. Maybe n is equal to int input, right? So you'll obviously write the complete assignment, right? And then it automatically gets saved, right? So here we can see that all changes are saved into a drive. So it will be saved in your own drive, right? So you can write the code in the presentation itself. That is one of the way. Or another way is that add or create. Now imagine you are not comfortable in doing that, because at certain times typing a code on a mobile phone is not a convenient way. So what you can do, you can write down the question in your copy, right, in your note copy, and then you can actually write the program, and then you take a snapshot of it, image of it, right, and then you can press on add or create, right? So here multiple options do come into existence. So we will select file, because we are going to upload the file from your computer or your cell phone, right? A link is only for if you want to link, like you have a GitHub page, only in that scenario it's used, right? So I'll press file. So in it multiple options are there, so we will select a file from your device. So as of now we'll just randomly select something, maybe some scans, right? Imagine this is the image that you have taken, right? And I'll just open it up, right? And then I'll press, once it's being shown or listed here, we can add multiple files also. So if you have multiple images or of multiple programs, then you can add multiple files in here and then upload it. So as you can see the progress bar, and it says it's being uploaded. So as you can see, we have the Google slide as well as the image that you have taken up, right? So does it make sense? So after you have done it, right, after you have finished with your Google slide, if you are editing in it, fine, or if you're not editing, then you have actually written the code in your copy and then you have uploaded the snapshot, that is also doable. Then what you're going to do is turn in, right? So it's gonna ask you that turn in your work to attachment to be submitted for this particular assignment, that is assignment 1, and it is also showing it. It is also showing that okay, assignment 1 revision, and this is the image file, right? So if you are confirmed that okay, I'll submit it, then you can turn in, right? So we'll wait a bit. Let's see. So now you can see that it has been turned in. So it's written turned in. Now when I go to my teacher's profile of Google Classroom, I'll see your particular work. So does it make sense? And obviously if you want to write some comment like I have completed my work, right? Either you can do that, or if you have any particular question, then also you can frame the question in here. Does it make sense? So that is how you can actually get it done. This is one of the way, right, to get everything done. Or obviously if I want, I will discard the changes, or if you want, you can also comment in the class itself, right? So imagine you have a problem, so I can write like, sir, I don't understand, maybe you see assignment operator, something of that sort, or any particular topic that you don't understand, or you see I don't understand the following program, right? And then you can add the snapshot of the program as we have done earlier also. Then you can add the snapshot and it will be listed in here, and I'll get into it and I'll try and solve it, and I'll tell you how it's being actually done, and I'll try and clear your confusion. So does it make sense? And then you will click and it will go there. Does it make sense? So that is how Google Classroom actually work. You also have a people tab, so I'll discard it, and that will list the name of the teacher and obviously the classmates, right? So does it make sense? So that is how it's being done, and I will request all of you to follow the classroom, because you see during this lockdown period a good deal of time is being wasted, and we have a sharp schedule. We have a split up to be completed within a particular period of time. So let's try and make the best out of the time we have. And again, if you have any problem, then you can call me up or you can text me, right? Or you can ask questions in the Google Classroom itself and I'll get back to you. Does it make sense? So let's try and make our time more productive. Okay, and thank you for watching. Again, if you have any confusion, do let me know.